How to fix a blurry display in Windows 11. So if your display or monitor is blurry, maybe it's hard to read the text on the page, or maybe the wallpaper is blurry as well, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and fix this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu and then just click on Settings. From the left hand side, select System and then click on Display. You'll then need to scroll down to Scale and Layout, and I recommend setting these numbers to the recommended amount. So if you click on the drop down arrow next to Scale, go and select the recommended amount for you, and you also want to do the same for the display resolution. Now once you've done this, scroll back up and click on Color Profile. Now scroll down to the Display Color Calibration and click on Calibrate Display. You can then basically go through the steps to get the best visuals out of your display. So if you click on Next again, and then just keep pressing Next, and then you should get to this screen here, click on Finish. And now finally you'll see this page that says make the text on your screen easier to read. Make sure Turn on ClearType is enabled, and then you can go through the steps by selecting the best options for you, and this will make sure that the text displayed on your Windows computer is basically optimized for the best visuals. Now if it's still not working after following all of these steps, the final solution is to open up your Start menu and then just search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance and click on this window here, and then you need to come down to this list of options and you need to make sure Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts is turned on like this, and then you can press Apply and OK, and that should fix any blurry issues with your Windows 11 display.